where we're going. Getting closer to the top. Very windy up here. Nice morning run up Arthur's Seat. I don't know why it's called Arthur's Seat. We'll have to search it. It's not a bad view. It's less windy here than up the top. It was pretty windy up there. Now we run back and have some. Last bit of time in Edinburgh before we pick up the car and drive off. It's been fun. Had a good time.
Yeah.
Edinburgh's awesome. I really enjoyed it.
It's like a calm London.
Yeah. You all good, Em?
Yep.
Oh, no, no.
Got my whiskey.
You got your whiskey? You're all set. When we came up, I came with one bag. I've now got like bags upon bags. We've got bags all here. How does this happen?
Just accumulated.
Yeah. It was like just add water and it just grows. Sunny day, Em?
Yep. Need my sunnies.
Yeah. We got our car, just waiting for it to come out. We got upgraded to a nice Audi. So we'll check that out when it comes out. Excited, Em?
Yeah.
Here's our little car. Castle number 2 in Scotland. You excited, Emma?
Yeah.
Can't wait.
Yeah.
Seems to be a little castle.
It is a little castle.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's live there.
All right. Which one are you going to ring?
The library.
Library. How was that castle?
I really liked it.
It was cool, wasn't it?
Yeah. It was like when we got there.
It doesn't really look like a traditional castle, does it?
No. But it's like a house built around a castle. An original castle.
We just had a little impromptu picnic.
We're very hungry.
Yeah, we were. We haven't eaten much since breakfast.
Have we eaten anything since breakfast?
Munched on a few bits and pieces, but no, nothing serious. Think we've missed the other castle today. It's closed, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we're going to go drive past it, find accommodation for the night and work out our plan of attack for tomorrow, I think. Hello, sheepy.
We got out to film the cows, but the sheep came instead.
There's a calf. That's a baby calf. And then we got
We'll go closer. Here's my friend.
All right, we were in Inverness. Then we left Inverness because we couldn't find anywhere nice to stay.
Except for a travel lodge.
Travel lodge. I said nice to stay. Then we drove north for another 45 minutes to an hour.
Yeah.
And we are now at this tiny little B&B. It's really nice. This is our room. It's just a room and an ensuite, but the owners are super nice. Came and met us. They're going to make us a traditional Scottish breakfast with haggis and black pudding and yeah. There's a bit of trepidation with that one,
We'll
but
try it.
we'll give it a go. So yeah, we'll try that. Anyway, I think we're going to go get a good night's sleep and then off to see more castles tomorrow. Sound good?
And I saw a cow today.
Yes, you did. We found a Highlander just for you. Alright, have fun. Bye.